Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you from where you can buy watches, necklace, rings and that kind of stuff for your player in the city. So the location or the store from where you can buy such stuff is this one by the name of Swags. So this store is you'll able to see just right here next to program or just near to this one proving grounds. If you don't sure about the location, let me show you in the map. So here you'll see the store by the name of Swags. So let me just get into that. Once you get inside, you will able to see this kind of categories. One of them is this one, and right here you will able to see watches for your left arm, right arm, and then you can go for earrings. Okay, then we have bracelets, so you can just choose the hand where you wanna put them. Then you can go for rings. Right here you can see we have a lot of varieties, and you can easily go through all of them and choose the one which you like. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you can buy a ring, watches and this kind of stuff for your player in the city. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.